Now we'll see what is PMP certification. What is PMP? PMP stands for Project Management Professional. It is issued by PMI or the Project Management Institute, which is situated in USA and has been established since 1969. It has over 1.1 million professionals holding its credential, and it is recognized in 200 plus countries worldwide. The exam has 180 questions and is of total 230 minutes, and the certification, once completed, is valid for 3 years. It is a global standard and accepted by every major MNC across 200 plus countries worldwide. It is not just a salary booster. While it does boost your salary for 20 to 25%, it is also a type of career insurance, as PMP holders are among the least affected by layoffs. It is also a mark of leadership and opens doors to senior roles like PM, PMO, and director roles. Now we'll see why PMP is popular worldwide. PMP is the highest paying project management certification around the world. In India, it pays about 20 to 30 lakhs per annum, whereas in USA, it pays 120K dollars plus per annum. Uh, According to the PMI, there is a talent gap, and it predicts that there will be a global ask for about 21.7 million PM related jobs by 2027. It is also an AI-proof career, as project leadership requires human judgment, which AI cannot replace and replicate. It also works everywhere, as we've already talked about this. It is valid in 200 plus countries worldwide. There is supposed to be a 3 times increase in digital PM demand jobs soon, and India is the second largest market of project management, and this is only projected to increase more.